Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to change WooCommerce registration user default role in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in all user and then you see customer. So WooCommerce default user registration role is customer. So we are going to change it to any subscriber editor. So it's up to you. So when user register in your website using WooCommerce, then default user role is customer. So we are going to change it. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it and then you see add your custom code. So again click on it and then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet. So click on it. Now create custom snippet section open and then you can add title. Then you see code preview. Now paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. And then you see WooCommerce created customer. Change customer to your desired role. So you can add role according to requirement in this section. So now we added subscriber. So you can add any user role here and then scroll down. You see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved, and then we are going to create new user account in WooCommerce. So we are in my account page and then you see register. So we added email, password, and then click on register. So after that we are going to check user role. Now you see account is created. Now back to dashboard. So we are in all user section and refresh the page. And then you see subscriber role created. So click on it by using WooCommerce. And then you see this user we created using WooCommerce my account registered page. So in this way you can change WooCommerce default role. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.